Did you know that up to 80% of adults experience lower back pain at some point in their lives? That's right, from the daily commuter to the weekend warrior, lower back pain is a common companion many of us could do without. It's a pervasive burden that can make even the simplest tasks like tying your shoes or picking up your child feel like a Herculean effort. The usual culprits? Sedentary lifestyles, poor posture, and a lack of exercise. In a world where many of us are glued to our desks or our screens, our backs are often the first to bear the brunt of these unhealthy habits. But don't despair. Today we're going to share some life hacks to help you quickly relieve that pesky lower back pain. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. By subscribing, you become a part of our health-conscious community, and you'll get regular updates with more tips and tricks to enhance your well-being. Our first hack harks back to ancient times, the use of willow bark. You see, there's a certain magic to this seemingly ordinary tree. There are many types of willow trees, from the black willow to the white willow, the European willow to the purple willow, and even the crack willow. Regardless of the type, the bark of these trees was highly valued in ancient times. It was used as a natural remedy to treat inflammation and pain. People would chew on it to find relief from pain and fever, harnessing the power of nature to soothe their ailments. Today we can tap into this ancient wisdom by brewing willow bark as a tea. Imagine sipping on a warm, comforting beverage, while the natural properties of the willow bark work to ease your lower back pain. It's like a gentle herbal hug for your body. Alternatively, you could apply willow bark externally. Think of it as a homemade, all-natural pain relief patch directly targeting the area of discomfort. However, it's important to note that not everyone might be suited for this remedy. If you have allergies to aspirin, it's best to avoid willow bark as it contains a similar compound. So next time you're nursing a sore back, why not try some willow bark tea? The ancients knew a thing or two about natural remedies, and it's high time we rekindle this knowledge for our own well-being. Our next hack is something you have in your freezer: ice. Cold therapy, folks, is a brilliant way to quickly alleviate that nagging lower back pain. The beauty of ice is it acts as a natural pain reliever. It constricts blood vessels, which in turn reduces swelling and inflammation. Now you might be wondering how to go about it. Well, it's pretty simple. You don't want to apply the ice directly to your skin. Instead, wrap it up in a towel or use an ice pack. Press this against the affected area for about 15 minutes. Make sure to give your back a break of at least 20 minutes between each application. But here's the catch. Ice is typically most effective within the first 24 to 72 hours of the pain flaring up. So, if you've got a fresh bout of lower back pain, ice is your best friend. Remember, ice is best used within the first 24, 72 hours of the pain flaring up. So, next time your back starts acting up, don't hesitate to reach for that ice pack in your freezer. If the 72-hour window has passed, don't worry. It's time for our next hack: heat therapy. Now, heat therapy is an excellent way to soothe those aching muscles and relieve tension. It works by increasing blood flow and oxygen to the affected area, which aids in healing and reduces muscle spasms. There are many ways to apply heat therapy. You might choose a warm bath, a heating pad, or even a hot water bottle. Just remember to wrap your heat source in a cloth to avoid burns. But what makes heat therapy so effective? Well, when heat is applied to the lower back, it stimulates sensory receptors in the skin. This in turn decreases the transmission of pain signals to the brain, reducing your discomfort. Heat therapy isn't just for immediate relief though. Regular use can help loosen tight muscles and increase your mobility over time. It's like giving your back a warm, comforting hug. Something we could all use from time to time, right? So, don't forget to turn up the heat when your back is feeling tight. Our next hack requires you to do nothing more than sleep, in the right position, that is. You see, a significant chunk of our day, nearly a third to be precise, is spent in bed. And the way we sleep can have a profound impact on our backs. Let's start with the ideal sleeping positions. There are essentially two that are recommended for those suffering from back pain: sleeping on your back or your side. If you're a back sleeper, a pillow beneath your knees can work wonders. It allows your legs to rest in a natural position, relieving tension from your hamstring, which can directly affect your lower back. On the other hand, if you're a side sleeper, a pillow between your knees is your best bet. This simple addition prevents your knees from rubbing against each other, maintaining your pelvis in a neutral position and avoiding unnecessary torsion or rotation in the lower back. Now, while these positions are ideal, we understand that changing your sleeping habits can be a challenge. So start slow. Maybe try these positions for a few nights a week and see how it affects your back pain. Remember, it's not just about the position, but also about the quality of your sleep. Make sure your mattress and pillows are comfortable and supportive. They should maintain your spine's natural curve and alleviate pressure points. With these tips, you'll be sleeping your way to a pain-free back. Our final hack is all about posture. It's easy to overlook, but the way we carry ourselves throughout the day can significantly impact our lumbar health. Let's delve into how poor posture can contribute to that nagging lower back pain and how we can correct it. First, let's consider the role of posture in our daily lives. Whether we're hunched over a desk typing away, slouched on the couch watching TV, or staring down at our phones, we're often not doing our backs any favors. Poor posture can lead to chronic tension and imbalance in the muscles supporting the spine, often resulting in aches and pains in the lower back. So what's the solution? It's simple. Be mindful of your posture. When sitting, aim to keep your back straight, shoulders relaxed, and eyes straight ahead. Your feet should be flat on the floor, and there should be a small gap between the back of your knees and the seat. Now I know maintaining this posture might feel a bit unnatural at first, but with time, it will become second nature. Now let's talk about standing. Stand tall, as if a string is pulling you up from the top of your head. Keep your shoulders back and relaxed, your chest out, and your stomach in. Distribute your body weight equally on both feet. Remember, good standing posture relieves stress on your lower back and helps prevent pain. Lastly, let's not forget about breathing. Yes, even the way you breathe can affect your posture. Instead of shallow chest breaths, aim for deep belly breaths. This technique not only promotes good posture but also helps reduce stress and tension in the body. Remember, a straight spine is a happy spine. By adopting these posture-perfect habits, you're taking a crucial step towards relieving and preventing lower back pain. You'll not only feel better, but you'll also look more confident and energetic. So stand tall, sit right, and breathe deep. Your back will thank you. And there you have it, quick and easy life hacks to relieve lower back pain. We've walked you through the wonders of willow bark, the relief of cold therapy, the soothing effects of heat, the importance of a good night's sleep, and the power of correct posture. Remember, these aren't just quick fixes but lifestyle changes that can significantly improve your overall health. However, it's crucial to remember that these hacks are not a replacement for professional medical advice. If your back pain persists or worsens, please seek help from a healthcare professional. Our intention is to provide a helping hand in your journey towards a pain-free life. We encourage you to try these hacks and let us know how they work for you. Every experience is unique, and your feedback helps us create content that can benefit everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment with your experiences. We can't wait to hear how these hacks have helped you. Until next time, stay healthy and pain-free. Thanks for tuning in to our latest episode of Monster Health Tips. We hope you found our insights and advice valuable on your journey to a healthier and happier lifestyle. If you enjoyed this content and want to see more, show your support by giving this video a big thumbs up. Your likes really make a difference and help our channel grow. We love hearing from you, so please leave a comment below with your thoughts, experiences, or what you'd like to see in future videos. Your feedback is our guiding star. Remember, every step towards better health counts, no matter how small. Stay motivated, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.